Hi, lovely people. Welcome back to the channel where we'll talk about money, mindset, and moves that make you richer slowly and surely. Let me ask you this. If I give you $1,000 today, will you know exactly where to invest it for real, reliable, and growth? Most people guess crypto, I think, real estate or stock. But in 2025, the best investment might just be something much simpler and safer. So in today's video, I will break down the best investment right now, backed by trends, data, and real returns. And by the end of this video, you will know where smart investors are putting their money and how you can start even if you are a beginner. Let's dive right in. Let me tell you a quick story. Back in 2020, there was a girl called Emily. She's like many of us watching YouTube video about investing, but too scared to start. Fast forward to 2024, Emily starts with just $500 in a high-yield savings account, short-term bond ETF. Now in 2025, she earned over 5% returns with nearly zero stress while her friends are losing money chasing her. The truth is, the best investment today are not the loudest. They are the smartest. Let's be real. Stock markets are volatile. Cryptos, still very unpredictable. Real estate, they are overpriced in many cities. Is it inflation? Yes, still creeping up on your savings. People are either hoarding cash and losing to inflation, or gambling on highs and losing sleep. But what if I told you there are calm, proven, and powerful strategy that is working right now? Here are the top 3 trending investments in 2025 that are getting real results for everyday investor. 1. High-yield savings and money market accounts. These are not just your regular savings account. Banks are offering insane rates in 2025 to compete. Some up to 5.25. Your money stays liquid, no risks, just passive interest. 2. Treasury bond. Short-term US Treasury bills takes 3 to 6 months and are giving guaranteed returns, low risk, backed by government, and perfect for people who want peace of mind. 3 are AI-powered ETF. Now, this is the futuristic side. This exchange-traded fund use AI algorithm to pick the best performing stock automatically, rebalancing and adapting. They are outperforming most human managed portfolio and becoming the go for hand of investing. Let's break it down by type of investing. Now let's go back to Emily. After a year of investing, a saving in high-yield savings account and ETF, she made over $2,000 in passive income without lifting a finger. Or consider a boy called James, a 30 years Uber driver in Dubai, who started putting $50 monthly in AI managed ETF. He now has a growing portfolio worth over $5,400 in just 8 months. You don't need thousands to start, you just need a plan, consistency, and the right tools like this. Let me show you how you can get started. You can use platforms like Toro, and you can use your bank depending on your area to buy maybe TB easy. Use Treasury Direct, interactive broker like eToro. Buy 3 to 6 month bond with 5% interest or returns and roll them. Number 3 is investing in AI ETF. The top AI powered ETFs to check are AI enhanced like QRFT, AI powered equity ETF, or use robot advisors like Watfront, Betterment, Server in UAE. Start small, even $10 a week builds wealth over time. Now let me tell you what to avoid in 2025. Don't keep all your money in a regular savings account. Most pay under 1%. Avoid get rich quick like crypto hype coins with no real value. Don't put all your funds into risky stock. Pick yours like say on TikTok. In 2025, smart money is quiet money. The best investors are not shorting on social media. They are stacking money silently. So what's the best investment right now in 2025? It's a mix of high-yield savings account, TP, and AI managed ETF. It's stable, scalable, and work whether you are 18 to 55 or 58. You don't need to be rich to start. You need to get started and get rich. Comment below which of these you will try this month. If you want me to drop a video tutorial on setting up this investment step by step, smash the like button, turn on your notification bell so that you will never miss a video. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and share this with someone who just saving money and losing value daily. Remember, investing is not about time in the market, it's about time in the market. Until next time, stay wise, stay consistent, and keep building wealth, one smart move at a time.
Oh, no. Chioma Media, light in the storm, bringing truth and fire.